You're eating healthy, but your belly fat is still growing. That's because some of the foods marketed as healthy are secretly spiking your blood sugar, slowing your metabolism, and keeping your body in fat storage mode. And the scary part? Most people eat them every single day without realizing the damage. But here's the good news. There are powerful superfoods with zero added sugar that can help crush cravings, burn stubborn belly fat, and even speed up your metabolism naturally. And one of the foods on this list is so powerful, studies show it can literally help your body burn fat while you sleep. Let's get into it. Creamy, filling, dangerous to belly fat. Avocado is one of the best no-sugar superfoods for weight loss because it helps fight one of the biggest causes of belly fat: constant cravings and overeating. Unlike sugary snacks that spike your blood sugar and leave you hungry again an hour later, avocado is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats that help keep you full, satisfied, and energized for much longer. It's also loaded with fiber, which supports digestion, reduces bloating, and helps your stomach look flatter naturally. And here's the powerful part. Studies suggest the healthy fats in avocados may help your body burn stubborn belly fat more efficiently while reducing unhealthy cravings throughout the day. That's why so many nutritionists and fitness experts add avocado to meals like eggs, salads, smoothies, and even toast. And if you want a complete fat-burning food plan that makes weight loss easier, grab my ebook linked below in the description and first comment. It'll show you exactly what to eat to melt fat faster without starving yourself. Simple breakfast. Powerful results. Eggs are one of the most effective foods for burning belly fat because they're packed with high-quality protein that keeps you full for hours and helps control cravings throughout the day. Most sugary breakfasts cause a quick energy spike, followed by a crash that leaves you hungry again fast. But eggs work differently. They provide steady energy and help your body stay satisfied longer, making it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking. They're also great for preserving muscle while losing weight, and the more muscle your body keeps, the more calories you naturally burn throughout the day. And here's the impressive part. Studies have shown that people who eat eggs for breakfast often consume fewer calories later in the day compared to people who eat high-carb breakfasts. That's why so many fitness experts start their mornings with eggs, boiled, scrambled, or added to healthy meals. Eggs are a simple but powerful weapon against stubborn belly fat. Tiny seeds, massive impact. Chia seeds may look small, but they're one of the most powerful superfoods for fighting belly fat and controlling hunger naturally. When mixed with liquid, chia seeds expand in your stomach and form a gel-like texture that helps you feel full for much longer. That means fewer cravings, less snacking, and better portion control throughout the day. They're also packed with fiber, protein, and healthy omega-3 fats, a powerful combination that supports fat burning, digestion, and steady energy levels. And here's what makes them even better. Chia seeds help slow digestion and reduce blood sugar spikes, which can help prevent your body from storing excess fat around the belly area. That's why so many people add chia seeds to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even water as part of a healthy weight loss routine. Tiny food, big difference. Light green, shockingly powerful. Spinach is one of the best low-calorie superfoods for melting belly fat because it gives your body a huge amount of nutrients without adding sugar or unnecessary calories. It's packed with fiber, which helps keep you full longer, supports healthy digestion, and reduces bloating, making your stomach look flatter and leaner naturally. But what makes spinach really powerful is that it contains special compounds that may help reduce cravings, especially for unhealthy sugary foods and processed snacks. That means fewer cravings and less mindless eating throughout the day. Spinach is also loaded with vitamins, minerals, iron, and antioxidants that support metabolism, energy levels, and overall fat-burning health. And because it's mostly made of water and nutrients, you can eat a large amount without consuming many calories at all. That's why so many nutritionists and fitness experts add spinach to smoothies, salads, omelets, and healthy meals every single day. Simple food, powerful fat-burning benefits. Warm, calm, fat-burning. Green tea is one of the most popular fat-burning drinks in the world, and for good reason. It contains powerful antioxidants called catechins that may help your body burn more fat, especially around the belly area. It also contains a natural amount of caffeine, which can help boost energy, improve focus, and slightly increase your metabolism without the heavy sugar crash that comes from sodas or energy drinks. And here's what makes green tea really impressive. Some studies suggest it may help your body burn more calories even while resting, making it a simple but powerful addition to a weight loss routine. Green tea can also help reduce cravings and support healthier blood sugar levels, which is important when trying to lose stubborn fat. That's why so many people replace sugary drinks with green tea when they're trying to slim down and feel healthier. Simple habit, powerful results. Small, sweet, shockingly powerful. Blueberries are one of the best fruits for fighting belly fat because they're packed with antioxidants and fiber that help support fat burning and overall metabolism. Even though they naturally contain a little fruit sugar, blueberries have a low glycemic impact, meaning they don't spike your blood sugar the way processed sweets and sugary snacks do. That's important because frequent blood sugar spikes can lead to more cravings, more snacking, and more fat storage around the stomach area. Blueberries are also rich in antioxidants that help fight inflammation in the body, and inflammation has been linked to stubborn belly fat and slower metabolism. And here's what makes them even better. Studies suggest blueberries may help improve insulin sensitivity, which helps your body use energy more efficiently instead of storing it as fat. That's why so many health experts add blueberries to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, and healthy breakfasts. Sweet taste, powerful fat-burning benefits. Rich flavor, leaner waistline. Salmon is one of the most powerful fat-burning foods you can eat because it's packed with high-quality protein and healthy omega-3 fats that support weight loss and metabolism. The protein in salmon helps keep you full longer, reduces cravings, and supports muscle growth. And the more muscle your body has, the more calories it naturally burns throughout the day. But what really makes salmon special is its omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats may help reduce inflammation in the body, and inflammation has been strongly linked to stubborn belly fat and slower fat burning. Salmon also helps support healthy blood sugar levels and steady energy, making it easier to avoid unhealthy snacking and sugar cravings. And unlike processed fast food that leaves you feeling tired and bloated, salmon gives your body real nutrients that support long-term fat loss and overall health. That's why so many nutritionists and fitness experts include salmon in healthy meal plans every single week. Delicious food, serious fat-burning power, sweet taste, zero sugar. Cinnamon is one of the most powerful spices for weight loss because it can help control blood sugar levels and reduce unhealthy cravings throughout the day. When your blood sugar constantly spikes and crashes, your body starts craving more sugar, more snacks, and more calories. But cinnamon may help slow that process down and keep your energy levels more stable. That means fewer cravings, less snacking, and better control over your appetite. And here's what makes cinnamon even more impressive. Some studies suggest cinnamon may help improve insulin sensitivity, which allows your body to use sugar more efficiently instead of storing it as fat, especially around the belly area. It's also loaded with antioxidants that help fight inflammation linked to weight gain and slower metabolism. That's why so many people add cinnamon to coffee, oatmeal, smoothies, tea, or healthy desserts instead of using sugar. Sweet flavor, powerful fat-burning benefits. Crunchy, satisfying, surprisingly powerful. Almonds are one of the best no-sugar snacks for fighting belly fat because they're packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, the perfect combination for controlling hunger and reducing cravings. Unlike chips or sugary snacks that leave you hungry again shortly after eating, almonds help keep you full and satisfied for much longer. That means fewer unnecessary calories and less late-night snacking. They're also rich in nutrients like magnesium and vitamin E, which support metabolism, energy production, and overall health. And here's what makes almonds really impressive. Studies have shown that people who regularly eat almonds as part of a healthy diet often feel fuller longer and may naturally consume fewer calories throughout the day. The healthy fats in almonds can also help support better blood sugar control, which is important when trying to reduce stubborn belly fat. That's why so many fitness experts keep almonds as their go-to healthy snack. Just a small handful can make a big difference. Not exciting, extremely effective. Broccoli is one of the best vegetables for fighting belly fat because it's incredibly low in calories but packed with fiber, vitamins, and powerful antioxidants that support fat burning and overall health. The high fiber content helps keep you full longer, improves digestion, and reduces bloating, making your stomach look flatter and leaner naturally. But what makes broccoli really powerful is that it helps your body get rid of excess water, and supports healthy digestion, which can make a huge difference when trying to slim down. It's also rich in compounds that help fight inflammation in the body, and inflammation has been linked to weight gain and stubborn belly fat. And because broccoli is so nutrient-dense, your body gets important vitamins and minerals without consuming extra sugar or unnecessary calories. That's why so many nutritionists and fitness experts include broccoli in healthy meal plans almost every day. Simple vegetable, powerful fat-burning support. Late night snack. Secret weapon. Cottage cheese is one of the best high-protein foods for burning belly fat because it helps keep you full while supporting muscle growth and recovery. It's packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles gradually over several hours, especially while you sleep. And that's important because the more muscle your body maintains, the more calories it naturally burns throughout the day. But what makes cottage cheese really powerful is that it can help reduce late-night hunger and unhealthy cravings, which is when many people consume extra sugar and unnecessary calories. It's also low in sugar, rich in calcium, and surprisingly filling, making it a great option for anyone trying to lose weight without constantly feeling hungry. And unlike sugary desserts or processed snacks before bed, cottage cheese gives your body protein and nutrients instead of empty calories. That's why so many athletes and fitness experts eat cottage cheese as a healthy evening snack. Simple food, powerful overnight fat-burning support. Most people are trying to lose belly fat while eating foods that secretly work against them. But adding just a few of these no-sugar superfoods into your daily routine can completely change how your body burns fat, controls cravings, and stores energy. And if you want a simple fat loss guide with foods, meal ideas, and strategies that make weight loss easier, check out my ebook in the description and first comment below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.